Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is very interesting for you because today I am telling you a story. It's about a mysterious child which we don't know how much years back he had died. But miss, uh, today also his soul is moving all around the world. This mysterious child whose name is Charlie. Guys, you will be mostly heard of game Charlie Charlie. This game is played by small children and big peoples also, which is very dangerous. They have tell that they have saw a ghost which is a child's soul. You will ask any question to him, he answers in yes or no. We don't know means how much reality is there in this game, guys. How much true story is there in this game? Charlie's game true story. And what is this story of this game? Today I will tell you about the stories and open the mysteries for you. After after hearing this story, you will never try to play this game because this game is not a normal game. This is how this is a legend game that if you play that game, you will be in danger that you can't think also. If you want to know about this mysterious um, you want to know the mysteries, please watch the video till end. You will know all about that stories. This stories starts from very long back in Mexico. There was a small child whose age was 9 to 10 years. We don't know what is reason behind him that he suicide only. His name was Charlie. When he tried to know about the reason, that by a unknown reason that he means I'm confusing you, that means Charlie has suicide, which he take a very bad step because he when the police tried to know about that how he suicide, that police came to know about that he suicide by a depression. They also don't know but what depression it was. And he decided to a wrong way to suicide himself, which is very normal in today's times because suicide is taking to everyone because of studies also they are suiciding. Today's time it is very normal, but this is a real story that by depression he has taken suicide a wrong way, which we are facing a different problem because everybody are playing this game. They may be going in danger. After the story, I will tell you a different story which two people have played and what they had also. Guys, anybody who take suicide a wrong way, their soul becomes a very strong negative energy, which means ghost, and they can be move around world depending on the ghost who have much problems after dying. Means they become that much powerful also. Means after dying the ghost have nothing, they stay in the forest, all things are bad with them, they become that much scary. Charlie also knowingly who talked suicide I am very confusing you. After dying of that Charlie, his friends tried to call him. His friend Charlie. Means how they tried that, they sat on a ground and took a paper and write yes, no, no, yes. They have wrote and keep two pencils between them like this. Means between the yes, no, two pencils are kept and played. But at night, if at afternoon you do, it's nothing it becomes. And they asked a question that Charlie, Charlie, are you there? Charlie, Charlie, are you there? Charlie, Charlie, are you there? And Charlie came front of everyone. But guys, really the ghost Charlie came from Mexico to India. Many Indians play this game like this. Only I will tell you a story about this. About two children who played this game. But what they face, you can't believe also. And they were two small brothers. One boy age means one brother's age was 13 and the other brother's age was 11. They were cousins. Their two family was going to a function on this on their friend's family function it was, and two children decide not to go to that function and play this game. And the bigger brother knows also about this game. Full rules also he knows. And bigger brother talks to his smaller brother to not to go to the party and be with me, and we'll play that Charlie Charlie game and play with that ghost. Means and means after 11 o'clock that their parents leave their house. And what they did, they take a paper and write yes, no, no, yes, and put two pencils like this. I have shown on the picture. And what they did, that paper they kept on the table, and facing the table, two chairs they kept and sat on that, and light a candle and kept on the table. And this is and they switch off the all lights of that the house, and the windows were already closed. And the that his bigger brother tried to tell Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? But nothing happened. But when the smaller brother tried, Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? And the third time he tell, the pencil suddenly moved to yes. And they become scared very much, because if suddenly something happens, you know. And they can't wake. They can't move also from their place. Means somebody has caught their legs there only, like a statue they were. And they were so much worried that they can't utter a word also. And that means that candle was lighting, that also was little by little, it was light off only, and they were worried more. And means suddenly from left side, the windows opened suddenly by the breeze, and it was the full moon day also. That full moon day light means that moonlight was coming directly to the table, and means they were seeing that somebody is standing. Means a very means bussy image it was looking. They were very scared. And after that, his big brother tried to tell something, because he know that to end this game that Charlie permission is required. But they were very worried, means they were very scared of, because they can't utter a word also. Then what they did, at last they tried to move of the place, and successfully they moved also. And after 10 minutes only the parents came, and before that only they have switched on the lights of all the rooms, and they didn't tell anything of what they happened that time. And while sleeping at night, means bad dreams were coming, like that they were playing that Charlie game only, and outside the window in the moonlight one child is standing with a tied a rope on the neck, and his eyes looking like a mysterious, means a bloody eye, red in color. It was very scary to look, and he was telling that, why you called me, tell me, why you called me, please tell me, why you called me, please tell me, I want to know. And after that they broke their sleep only, and at morning they tell to each other that this happened, and what was happened, that their both dreams was as same, and it happened 5 days regularly. And the bigger brother was having sleeping paralysis, and the small brother means was very worried of his bigger brother, and tell to his parents of what has happened in 5 days. And his mother think, like the small children, like these dreams come, then something is there. They call priest to their home. When the priest came and started praying, he tell that something, some negative energy like ghost is there. So don't try anything like that attract to negative power. Then they will not leave their house. Then that priest prays some prayers, and finally the negative and energies are not there at their home. And that cousin brothers decide that not to play like these games, because they were very frightened of that day, and they think that we will not talk of this only. And after that they didn't tell also. They are safe now. So guys, don't try also like this game at home. First see your family, think 1,000 times, 1,000 to 2,000 times, means not to do this. If you try, think like that. First think your family is there, you are there, then they will get something. Don't try like this. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and if you didn't subscribe this video, please subscribe this video. I tell you one thing, I am not a good speaker, but I am trying the best to make these videos. Little by little I will become good. Only follow me, give ideas, and from now I am putting my Instagram ID also. If you want to talk some